Jenna, and today I'm going to be trying out the brand new Diamond Dotz stickers. They're so cute and easy to make. I can't wait to get started. Here's what you get in the kit. In the kit, you get a Diamond Dotz stylus and soft grip, a tray to hold the Diamond Dots themselves, the sticker, and the wax. Here's how you make it. First, put some wax onto your stylus. This will help the Diamond Dotz stick easier to the stylus. Then grab your chosen colour of Diamond Dots and pour them into the tray. You don't have to pour all of them, just pour some, as much as you need. Peel back the clear film, grab a Diamond Dot on your stylus and place it down. It's that simple. Make sure when picking up a Diamond Dot that the round side is facing up. This will mean that the round side will be facing up on the sticker. This is what you want because the round side is shinier. Here's one of the complete ones. Now to peel off the sticker, you just peel the front from the back. Like that. And now you can stick it wherever you want. Like that. It's so cool.